Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can send a game from one Android mobile to another. See, I have taken two different mobiles. This is Motorola and this is Realme. So to send any game, say for example I have Candy Crush here, right? Even if you have a game which is downloaded to Chrome, not from the Play Store, that also you can send. For that, what you need to do is open the Files app. See here, this is the Google Files app on the sender mobile, and also on the receiving mobile I'll be opening Google Files. Same, Google Files on the receiving mobile, Google Files on the sending mobile. Okay, right? Now here what you need to do is click on this app section here, as we are sending a game, right? So we are clicking on apps, and here find that app or game which you want to send. So where is this Candy Crush, right? See, here is at the last position, right? I'm just pressing and holding on that so that it gets selected, and I'm clicking on the share symbol. Before going any further, say for example it is installed APK from the Chrome, you need to select this option. Now here you will find that APK, that game APK, whatever it may be. But now I got the game at the last, so press and hold for few seconds, then click on the share symbol, right? Then here you will find this quick share, tap on this quick share. So here now it will start searching. Okay, turn on the Bluetooth. So sorry, the Bluetooth on this device is temporarily turned off, so I just turned this on. So it is saying like, by default this is the Raj phone. Okay, the name of this phone, by default this is already detected. If it didn't detect, what you can do is you can click on use QR, and on this mobile, the receiving mobile, you can open the QR code scanner. Where is this QR code scanner here? So I couldn't find the QR code scanner. What I'll do is I'll simply open Google Chrome, and I'll just search as Google here. Here you'll have the scanner, that's the reason I'm just opening this one. So this will open the scanner, right? If you don't find the QR code scanner directly, I'm just using this step. Yeah, see here, now the Google Lens has been opened. What I'll do is I'll simply scan this just for the connection purpose. Okay, so we need to click on the link after the scan. Okay, tap on this link. So now this will automatically gets connected. See here, this step you need to do if you don't find your device name here. See here, receiving 0%. The what is this Candy Crush game from this Motorola mobile to the Realme mobile very easily. Already 22% has been received. Likewise, you can share any game from one Android mobile to another Android mobile. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like. And that is what all I wanted from you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.